guys, I'm going to show you how to remove unknown devices from Facebook. So if you're seeing unfamiliar logins on your Facebook, don't ignore it. That usually means someone else has access to your account. So here's how to kick them out and secure everything fast. So open the Facebook app, then tap your profile in the bottom right corner, then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Next, at the top, select Account Center. Then from here, select Password and Security. Then scroll down and select where you're logged in under Security Checks. Then from here, select the profile or the account. Then you'll see all devices currently using your account. So tap on the device you want to log out. So at the bottom, select devices to log out. You can select all or you can choose one or two depending on you. So select that and click log out to confirm the action. So red flags to watch, devices from locations you've never been to, or logins at weird times, and changes you didn't make like name, pose, and messages. So don't stop at logging out. Lock it down properly. You can change your password immediately. So make it strong and unique. Turn on two-factor authentication. You can check your email and phone in settings. So remove anything you don't recognize and review recent login alerts. And that's it. Thank you for watching.